Coin+Card+QR ATM. Troubleshoot Mode setting. This is Initiative's Coin+Card+QR ATM, and we will see the settings of Troubleshoot Mode. If user places his user card on ATM, then he can see the volume to be dispensed and balance amount in his card on ATM's display. If user wants to see the volume and pulses on ATM's display, then you have to change the Troubleshoot Mode. Press Enter to go to Advanced Settings with the help of Up or Down key. Press Enter when the cursor is on Advanced Setting. Read the instructions on display. Place MasterCard. Go to Troubleshoot Mode with the help of Up or Down keys. Press Enter when the cursor is on Troubleshoot Mode. Press Down button and change the option to Yes. Press Enter to save the settings. Now, while dispensing, the user can see the volume and pulses on ATM's display. Press Back button to exit from settings. Thank you.